This is a civil emergency alert with point of entry by multiple U.S. government agencies. The National Weather Service reports that there are multiple atmospheric disturbances occurring in all levels of the Earth's spherical levels. All forms of aviation are grounded until further notice. The President has issued a national emergency order. It is unknown, at this time, if these disturbances will cause any damage to any structures on the ground, but FEMA and the Department of Health and Human Services are prepared for deployment should this occur. Be vigilant. If an incident involving the event does occur, stay calm and report it to any law enforcement agency. This is a civil emergency alert via point of entry of the Department of Defense and the National Weather Service. The unstable atmospheric conditions have created liquefied, ignited objects to cascade rapidly and descend onto the ground randomly. You are to enter a secured underground shelter and remain there until the all-clear signal is given. You should bring non-perishable food and water, to last for 14 days, and a hand-cranked or battery-operated radio, with additional batteries. If you do not do so, you may put yourself in a dire or fatal situation. The U.S. government is doing all it can to help and aid its citizens whenever possible. Please remain calm. This is an update on the civil emergency via point of entry of the U.S. government. The atmospheric flaming gel spheres impacting on the ground have been found to be the remains of a mutation between humans and humanoid-like creatures that have similarities to large birds. It is hypothesized that the gel-like secretions are a series of biological chemical reactions to it, being in the current, unstable atmospheric conditional state. When they impact upon the ground, the pressure from its speed hitting the Earth sends the gel erupting its caustic material around the area where it landed. Other speculative theories include extraterrestrials, cumulative mergers of birds and other mammals, and even mythical angels from the Book of Revelations, although these cannot be confirmed or denied at this time. Please stay calm. This is a national civil emergency update via point of entry from the U.S. government. In addition to the previous red spheres that have been falling from the atmosphere, green spheres have been reported at various locations in the United States and other countries. The green sphere has been reported about 15 miles due northwest of Sioux Falls, North Dakota. Upon observation, they seem to react similarly to the red sphere's reaction upon impact, although the caustic gel seems to spread over a wider area and is more corrosive. More definitive features, such as black and feathered wings and flesh-burnt appendages, can be seen, even after its eruption. Noted atmospheric professor Gregory Phipps believes more spheres will be impacting and become more destructive. The current emergency order is still in effect until further notice. This is a catastrophic event alert. This point of entry from the U.S. government. The atmospheric purple spheres have been found to emit a fatal mist that kills any living creature within it. It has been observed that there's no dissipation in its properties as it is carried into the air. Gas masks, environmental hazmat suits and separate oxygen sources are useless against this fatal mist. Unless you are in an underground shelter, the vapors will kill you. If you are in an underground shelter, you may seal any doors and windows using duct tape and plastic coverings. It is believed your chances of survival may increase, but this is only speculation. If you are exposed, please gather your loved ones close to you to give them comfort as the end approaches. The United States government cannot help you any further. We wish you the best of luck. May God save us all, and God bless the United States of America.